Welcome back to the Women's Bar. I'm your girl Casey, in case y'all forgot.
Oh, and I'm Kiambra. Oh, yes.
And we back.
Period. We back with another video, y'all. We giving y'all some juice today.
Some detox juice that's gonna help all this build up and toxins y'all got in y'all bodies.
Yes.
From been drinking, all this
Party,
all this bad eating, all this build up.
Yes.
It gonna flush you right on out. It also helps with your organs. It helps with energy, building your energy back up also.
Yes, this is an anti-inflammatory juice as well. It's very, very helpful for your immune system. And we're gonna get into the video because we're gonna get deep into more of what this juice does while we're juicing.
And what each thing, what benefits each vegetables or fruit provides. So
come on, let's go. Let's get into the video.
Let's get it.
Period. I don't want to keep on saying period. I don't know.
So we gotta boil this.
Okay, let's get it.
I'm gonna put it in the kitchen. I don't know how much water, but she's like.
I'll put this.
This
Well, it's probably like
light water, really light.
Yeah.
All the hub. The hub is basically, it has a lot of benefits, like strong. The people in Africa, like when they have, like people have malaria or get sick, they go ahead and boil this and put it in a pot. It helps knock out almost everything. So let's get started. Okay, you want to boil it out. We're going to boil it high, but maybe we're going to put it on medium, let it boil, and we're going to go back to the front.
Okay, so what are the ingredients that we have here, girl?
So the first ingredient that we're going to do is cucumbers.
Yes.
So cucumber helps with digestion. It's also anti-inflammatory.
It also helps with the heart health and also with your hair and your nails and your skin.
It helps reduce cancer.
Very good for digestion system.
I already said that.
Oh, you did?
Yes, ma'am. That's all right.
That's with the
That's all right.
And your bad breath.
It definitely refreshes the breath.
Yeah.
It has so much more benefits, guys. So
right.
Let's get into juicing the
cucumber. We get too hilarious. Like for real. They want to say on something. I don't know if it probably supposed to be like that though. That thing right there, kind of shake it a little bit. Cause it kind of boiled now. Oh, it's what it's supposed to be up on our radio. Cause we put.
We have two small ones and one English cucumber.
Yep. English cucumber.
Okay, so basically I'm gonna just put this on
here. Ooh, you don't put this celery. we check on these pineapple balls.
Yeah, it'll be alright too, you know.
Yeah. Okay, so our next ingredient. So our next ingredient is celery. Celery benefits are it really helps with your digestive system. It also helps with
Strengthen bones. Help. It actually helps with psoriasis and eczema. Help with support weight loss.
Yeah.
Heals acne.
Yeah.
And pretty much more benefits.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
Yeah.
So you gonna take the cucumbers?
Cucumber or celery?
I celery, y'all know. I just got done with cucumbers.
We gonna get our brain together once we drink the juice.
Oh, it smells good.
Oh, it sure do.
It smells so good. So our next ingredient is the actual pineapples. So one of
My favorite fruit.
yeah, love it, especially with some salt.
Ooh, you done put salt on everything.
So dude, I was telling people put sugar, like
I don't put sugar on pineapple though.
we put sugar on everything. But it's a anti-inflammatory. It helps with infections. It also, guys,
Help with your sinuses as well. It helps relieve joint pain.
help you taste a little good down there. And it help like remove all toxins out your body. That's basically what everything does that's included in this juice.
Yeah.
And also, guys, this is for y'all. It helps builds up your stamina, elevates your
Sperm count.
all that, like all that. So it's good for the women and men to drink a glass a day. Let's get started.
I'm about to. I want to make this a habit.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Right. Oh, go check on the
Girl, you gonna say that when you got it got a ball for a good amount of time.
Oh.
so you get all the benefits about the
So I gotta be real soggy looking. Should let it cook right there.
It's part of the first time we did. So our last ingredient is the ginger, which is an anti-inflammatory as well. It helps fight off diseases such as like heart disease, lung diseases. It helps with stress and damages to your DNA. All that.
It also helps with sore throat as well. Okay.
Okay, so it freshens breath. It helps with skin aging.
Yes.
It helps. It has a lot of properties and a lot of benefits. So
you can definitely use it as a tea as well. It helps with coughs. Well, we already said sore throats and things like that.
So and also everything. Also, I think it also helps with bloating. I know the celery does. I forgot to mention that earlier. It helps with bloating. Like really, everything helps with getting rid of the toxins which cause the bloating. And you know you want to get rid of this. What I got right here.
Yeah, all that junky stuff that's inside of your
body.
womb. Yeah.
So and it helps break down the fat. Helps break down your food and the fat. It also has curcumin in it. Y'all know that's our favorite when it comes to turmeric. It helps with the skin, the healing of the skin.
One of the most powerful antioxidants ever. So
let's get started. Here you go. I'll cut up the other stuff while you juice.
I'll cut it up since it's right here, and then you can do juice. Oh, it smells so good. You want to eat one?
Oh, I know ginger smells so good.
But it's fiery too. You eat it, it's not gonna taste how it smells. I mean, it's gonna taste how it smells, but it's gonna be powerful. Oh, it got two. What do you got?
We're gonna fill each cup. We're gonna start with the cucumber, and we're gonna do 1 cup. We're gonna take it up to 1 cup on the glass. So we boiled it and we taking all the benefits. She kissed my dad. We're taking all the benefits out of the pill, and we're gonna add the sour juice. Okay, got it? Okay. It's time to shake them up.
Shake it like a shot. I said shake it like a shot.
Yeah,
Body girl.
What's that talking about, right? What they call bartenders? They make
Yeah. Oh yeah, they sure do. What they make it drink?
They dancing.
Right. Yeah, body girls be. Oh shit, I'm making a baby.
Oh no. We put
One
the
more
on
week.
it.
Right.
No, so these things are secure now.
Right.
1, 2, 3. I got 1, 2, and cold. We good.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's about mainly celery though.
That's for yeah. That's one thing. That celery
Oh,
will
it tastes
overpower everything, but it actually is
The
good.
aftertaste, it's like so good.
So good. It just need to be refrigerated.
Yeah.
Cold. This concludes our video. And listen, if y'all have any type of juices or any smoothies y'all want us to try and put together, and like just to gather more information on it to give you guys enlightenment on, let us know. Drop down in the comment below.
Yes.
And don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe.
and support is very free. And
Yes, we on the road to 100 subscribers. Help us get there.
tell a friend to tell a friend. Listen.
Yes.
And then also whatever videos y'all would like from us, like even if it's like food, hair, clothes, skincare,
Yes.
anything, traveling, whatever y'all want to see, let us know.
Yes, and we'll try to make it happen for y'all.
Come on and engage.
And click that notification bell so that you can get notified every time we upload a video.
And stay tuned for our next video because you never know what it's gonna be.
Yes. Peace.
Peace out.